Hey y'all, as you can see, we are in Lowe's because Barb and I are working on some Bob the Builder behind arts and craft DIY projects. So more on that when I get out of here, but right now, as you can see, we are shopping for spray paint.
Spray paint, $3.
All right, well, if you want to get the cheap one, I guess we can.
But I don't know, it's up to you, but they're going outside.
They are, which is why we need to be looking for.
You said with primer?
We can, I guess, either do the one with primer or this is truly when we need to be checking out like the Raven Elise DIY channel to see what types of like spray paint she gets, because we are struggling to figure out what the difference is or what the finish is going to be.
Did you look here or up here?
Around it's the whole top. What the difference is going to be between matte black and satin. So this is satin, as you can see right here, and then that's matte, but the tops look exactly the same, and we're sure there may be a little bit of a slight difference in the finish, but we're just not sure what. Who knew that shopping for spray paint would be this hard? I thought we were just gonna come in here and grab and go. That's exactly what she would have done.
Now you got me trying to put it back in order like I work here. I know I'm...
I'll be back. Keeping it relatively affordable, we're just gonna grab these two because they're two outdoor chairs, and now we're headed to checkout.
There's a product in stock. I'm trying to find the last one, and I feel like the barcode on it.
I don't think I have 93 cents. I don't believe I did. Uh-oh, friend. It's aggressive.
Get fast and snatch it up.
It's aggressive. And grab bag the first thing.
It's about to be fun. Oops.
Okay, y'all, I hope y'all can hear me. Just wanted to give y'all a quick look. So my aunt has an extra set of like old patio or balcony chairs, and I'm looking for something to put on the balcony. We're just gonna spray paint these chairs. We probably could stand to do a little something about the rust that's on them because they are a little old and tarnished a little bit, but we can't be bothered. So Barb and I are about to just sand down what exists as like old peeling paint, and then we are going to spray paint them. So let's take a look. So Barb and I just have some little plastic gloves. Even though my manicure is almost shot, I still don't want like black spray paint all over my fingernails. So protect the mani at all costs. This part is up to you on whether or not you do. Also, as you can see, my mom cares a lot about where the spray paint goes. I can't be bothered. So she's gonna cover though my aunt's, what is it? Her little garden bed, little produce back there. And y'all saw which spray paint we decided to go with. It's just the cheap paint and primer, ultra cover flat black. It's like $7 a piece at that, I think, like $6.50. So we're gonna see, excuse me, how it works. And yeah, we'll get these things covered. All right, so here's what they're looking like. Almost brand new, y'all. I'm really impressed, even with, you know, the wetter spots like right here, at how quickly, obviously, this is drying. And we'll see if we need another coat on it tomorrow. But even with the areas that had some rust, we tried to sand it down, but it looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. Now we are going to try to turn these over tomorrow so that we can truly get the underside of it, but looks good, I think. Let me know in the comments below if y'all have ever spray painted any furniture, and if you're enjoying this video so far, then you'll definitely want to subscribe, because I have a video up of me DIYing a bar cart that I found at a, like, I guess it was a, I was gonna say a thrift store, but really it was like a vintage market in Richmond when I was in grad school. Saved it, then did a whole like DIY change to the bar cart, which is really dope. So I'll link that here for you, or one of these sets. And then also I'm gonna be putting up when I decorated my nightstand. Want to show y'all that for my bedroom, so I'll show y'all that. And then of course you'll get to see what the end result of our balcony will be. I'm so excited because it's just gonna be a, you know, cute little cozy vibe. So yeah, anyways, stay tuned. I'm gonna go freshen up really quickly, clean up the mess that we did make, let these guys dry, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, as y'all can likely hear, I just finished lunch at Mezcalito right behind us. It was really good. Barb, this was her first time enjoying Mezcalito, but certainly one of Durham's staples for me. It's been here a couple, now I think maybe just under 2 years perhaps, but really good, authentic Mexican food. The vibe is super cute. It just, you know, kind of is a refreshing spot downtown to get good quality food and a little drink, a beverage, if you will. Great cocktails. Barbara and I didn't indulge today, but I have before, and I really enjoyed them. So if you are ever in Durham, check out Mezcalito. As you can see, this is kind of one side of downtown Durham. But yeah, we are about to probably soon run one more errand on lunch. Is probably what you have time to do, and then I'm gonna head back home because we're getting ready. I don't know if Barb will go with me, but I am going to water aerobics tonight. Tonight is Friday, and we didn't have lessons on the typical scheduled night Wednesday because of Juneteenth. So happy belated Juneteenth to all my folk. I'm so glad I'm gang. But yeah, I'm going to water aerobics tonight, and then this weekend should be a little bit of fun. I'm hoping to go see Bad Boys tomorrow and get some work done. So y'all hang tight. It's gonna be a good vloggy vlog. I don't know if I actually kicked off the vlog, so count this to start. Anyway, I'm getting in the car because it is hot. One of the record temperature weekends that we will have this summer in North Carolina, I think even on the East Coast. So going to go ahead and jump in the car, and I'll link up back with y'all in a sec. Hey y'all, I know you can only see half of me right now, but I just pulled up to water aerobics, and because I'm late, I'm about to jump in. Y'all have come to water aerobics with me before, but if there is anything like fun and not a risk to anyone's privacy, I will obviously try to vlog because we always have a really good time. But yeah, I'm headed in, gotta check in, and then I still have on my dress from earlier, which I decided just to pack because it makes it easy to be able to, you know, change after I shower and then, or rinse and then come out. So anyway, let's head on in. Oh, what do I got going on? Anyway, as you can probably tell by how gray and pruny I look at that, just nuts. Also don't mind my cuticles. I just got out of the pool. I'm whooped. I was already tired before coming to water aerobics, and now I'm just extra like, get me home. While I don't think I'm gonna need any additional support or help getting to sleep, I do wish to sleep deeply and without interruption. So I'm thinking about going to Whole Foods and getting the tart cherry juice, which I have had before, but I've never made the Sleepy Girl mocktail, as I'm sure you all have probably seen is very popular on the interwebs right now and across socials. So I was wondering if I wanted to do that, but I also have lots of work that I could afford to get done. Lots of schoolwork and homework and stuff, and so I'm almost wondering, does it make sense to go get an aid to go to sleep or should I try to stay up tonight so that I can rest well tomorrow? By the way, it is Friday, and I just got, at 7 p.m., I just got the notification from, who that is? Target, saying, hey girl, it's time, come pick up your So I'm gonna run over there and then head home. I feel like I had somewhere else to go. Was it just Whole Foods? See, the problem about me and Whole Foods is I'm gonna go up in there buying more stuff than I really need, and I don't need to do that because I have everything to make for dinner tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I am going to get some work done at a coffee shop that I've been to before, but I've been waiting to get there to like get some work done. So looking forward to doing that. Of course y'all are gonna come with me, so I don't need anything for breakfast. I have my like dinner planned out, and Barb and I may be going to the movies, so if we do, we'll get popcorn, and obviously that's gonna be plenty of food tomorrow. So don't think I need to go to Whole Foods, but they do, if I don't get the tart cherry juice, they do have this energy drink, but it's a clean energy drink. I gotta see what the name of it is before I go telling y'all some fibs. So what should I do, y'all? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Ooh, let me figure out my life. I'll pick y'all back up when I get to Target. Long time no see.
All right, $10, 5 pennies.
Perfect. And did I get my Prime
Let's see, did you
scan? I thought so. Let's see.
success?
Yeah, I'd love to
Excellent.
see it.
905.
Awesome.
That was worth the scan for sure.
Okay.
We're all set. Have a nice
Thank you.
evening.
You as
Take
well.
care now.
Whole Foods run and done. All right, so real quick, I decided against the tart cherry juice because I am gonna get some work. While I was lollygagging around with Barb earlier for lunch, I should have been doing homework, so I am headed now to pick up my Target order, and then I'm gonna go home. I'm exhausted. Nothing looked good on the hot bar either. There was a lot of people like getting it. They had wings, but I'm making wings tomorrow with a kale Caesar salad because I've got some leftover kale, some Caesar dressing, some Parmesan, like croutons, all things. So anyway, yeah, so I figured I wouldn't mess with it. So if I get hungry, I'll just have like some almonds and, you know, snack at home tonight. But because I'm still not fully like ready for a meal after eating Mexican out today, so we'll see. But anyways, I'm headed home after we go to Target to pick up our pickup order.